If you haven't installed Adobe Animate yet, I've made a super short setup video showing exactly how to do that. The link is in the description. Let's get into it. Hey, I'm Sam and welcome to Lesson 1 of my Adobe Animate course. I'm here to teach you how to turn this into this. Whoa. Am I AI? Honestly, I wish you were. This actually took the better half of my day to animate. Oh. I've been using this software for over 20 years. Way back when it was still called Macromedia Flash 5. Since then, I've animated everything from a stick figure series to a Minecraft series to just video game parodies. Honestly, you name it, I've done it. And I use Adobe Animate every single day. So yeah, I know my way around. This course is focused entirely on animation. So if you want to learn how to animate, you're in the right place. Alright, if this is your first time opening Adobe Animate, you will need to create a new file over at the top left here. It'll bring up a dialog box here. The default settings is 1920 by 1080. It's the width and the height. And the frame rate 24. We should just keep it at that. Don't worry about the action script. We're not going to touch any of that anyway. And just hit create. Okay, let's get into the workspace. First time opening Adobe Animate can be a little bit overwhelming. But don't worry, we're here just focusing on the essentials. So, let's jump in. The stage is your canvas. This is where you'll draw stuff. The tools panel is on the left. This is your brushes, shapes, selection tools. The timeline is at the bottom. This is where you will animate stuff and control what is shown on the canvas. Properties panel is on the right. This will change depending on what tool you're using and what objects you select. The menu bar is up the top. You got the standard file, edit. This is how you save stuff, import stuff, etc. And the library panel. This is where all your assets will live. All right, now let's make something. Let's start off by grabbing the brush tool, and we're going to draw something on the canvas. You can draw a blob, a face, a really bad looking creeper. It really doesn't matter. But what I want you to do is make sure there are no gaps in the line. You can now try switching the colors. And then using the fill tool, you can color in your lines, you can color inside your drawing, whatever you like, experiment. Some other little drawing tools you may want to play with are the shape tools. We can draw a little sun over here, maybe some square clouds. Wow, amazing. Remember, we're just playing around here. But if you really mess up, you can go to Edit, Undo, or simply grab the eraser tool and scrub away what you don't like. Righto, now let's save it. Go to File, Save As, and give it a name, like Masterpiece 01, and then hit Save. Now your Adobe Animate project is saved. But if you want to share it as an image, you have to export it as an image or GIF. So go to File, Export, Image or GIF, and then you're good to go. Now you don't need Adobe Animate to open up the file. All right, your first drawing is saved and exported. Now here's your task. Upload your artwork to the Discord server or tweet it to me at @SamGreenMedia. #MyFirstDrawing. Links in the description. I'll be checking them all out, giving them a like or providing feedback if you ask. And please, if anything was unclear or you just want to say hey, drop a comment down below. I'll be reading all the comments and will reply to as many as I can. In the next lesson, we'll be diving deeper into the drawing tools and start building some assets you can actually use to animate. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.